Dr. S.R. Gani, Department of Statistics. Today I am discussing about some concept in statistics. Some basic concept in statistics. In statistical survey, the objects whose characteristics are studied are called units or individuals. The totality of units under consideration is called population or universe. For example, in the study of financial condition of families of a particular tribe, the set of all families belong to the tribe is the population. The families are units. Population which contains finite number of units is a finite population. A population which contains infinite number of units is an infinite population. For example, population of students belong to a college is a finite. Population of heights of a plants is infinite. A characteristic which is numerically measurable is a quantitative characteristic. Height, for example, height of a person. A characteristic which is not numerically measurable is qualitative characteristic. For example, skin color of the person. A quantitative characteristic which varies from unit to unit is variable. A qualitative characteristic which varies from unit to unit is attribute. A variable which assumes only some specified values in a given range is discrete variable. For example, number of children per family is a discrete variable. A variable which assumes all the values in the range is a continuous variable. For example, height of the person. Height of the person means 158 centimeters. 158.5 centimeters, like this. It is for statistical survey, numerical data are collected. Such numerically expressed data are quantitative data. Data which are not numerically expressed data are qualitative data. For example, many students failed in SSLC examination is qualitative data. 60% of students failed in SSLC exam is more communicative than above statement. Measurement of quantitative characteristics such as height, weight, etc. is easy, but measurement of qualitative or abstract phenomena such as intelligence, anxiety, anger, etc. is relatively difficult. And so quantification of qualitative or abstract phenomenon requires different types of scale of measurements. Some scale of measurements: nominal scale, ordinal scale. Nominal scale means is the one in which numbers are assigned simply as a symbols of the different categories observations. For example, roll numbers are assigned to the students of the college, and in a city route numbers are assigned to the city buses. Next, ordinal scale. Ordinal scale is the one in which numbers are assigned to observations in a such a way that they can be arranged in increasing or decreasing order. For example, according to the blood pressure, patients are assigned numbers. Number 1 for low BP patients, number 2 for normal BP patients, number 3 for high BP patients, and 4 very high BP patients. Thank you.